Welcome back, everybody, to a new video where I'll be talking about Beyond Meat. So, before we get started, please hit that like button, that is greatly appreciated. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. Now, if you want to get above and beyond and get my daily trade ideas, swing trade ideas, live trading, and all kinds of setups, long term and short term, definitely check out my link down below in the description for Patreon. And now let's get right into it. So, a lot of people missed out on that big move. And why I'm actually making this video because it can potentially go up again, but this is not a type of trade where you'd go all in and put everything in and like, oh, I'm just gonna wait and it's gonna go to eight, nine, $10 again, and it's a guarantee. So be careful with names like this one, but I think there is potential for upside here on Beyond. First of all, this is the hourly chart here, and let's talk about the hourly here. You can see it was just uh, you know inside this wedge, just coiling up for possibly a breakout at one point, but so far nothing really happened. So this is actually a daily support, $1.53. There was that gap. Let's talk about that right here. On Beyond, you can see it came down here. Even on the daily time frame, you can see it's kind of wedging here. And off of these lows, $1.50, $1.53, we got a bounce, and right now it's trading at $1.66 at the closing on Friday. Now, what happened quickly here? You can see, I mean, this thing popped pre-market, massive move. I think it was close to like what, $8, $9. But if you look at my screen on this daily time frame, it happened before. It happened before we get multiple rejection there. So around $7.64 to maybe even $8. There's a lot of rejection around there. This thing came back down. Now also when you consider from 50 cents going up to $8, that's a massive gains, and people will likely to take profit. I mean, right now it's up huge, still at $1.66. So what is the next stop? Well, I think the $1.50 can hold the gap fill reversal. It can possibly bounce back up to, I would say, $2.93, maybe even higher up to like $4. But if this thing falls below that level here, $1.53, we might be pulling back down to like a dollar 12, $1.13 right here. And then we have another gap down here at 0.76. So $1.76, that's going to be another support here, a gap fill reversal. So that is the trade idea here, that if you're getting in here at $1.50, $1.53, you would put a stop, let's say 7 to 10%, depending on what you're getting, whether it's calls or shares. You put a stop maybe down here at $1.40, $1.35, and if this thing rises back up, then you slowly take profit as this thing is going back up. Now a lot of people will say, well, it's going to $20, $30, and I do agree it can happen, but don't get overly bullish, overly leveraged, and then you don't have any money to average down. And I mean, this is a company where, I mean, you don't want to go all in, like I said at the beginning of my video, but I think it offers a huge upside potential. It can possibly go back up to those previous highs. And why? Look at, another stock that is open, and I might actually go and make a video on that one, which is actually going to break out at some point. They do have earnings this week, and it's the similar story, just like this one here, from 50 cents going up to $8, $9. That one was also, pretty much a penny stock, and now you're seeing a massive move, massive increase in volume also. So Beyond definitely has it, but is it worth to risk everything? I think smaller position sizing is really important here on Beyond, and I think you can actually make some money if this thing holds up, at this level. If not, the next one would be around $1 to 76 cents. These are gonna be even better opportunities, but nobody knows where like the bottom will be. So you got to get started at some point, and I think this is a good starter point right here at $1.53 on Beyond. And that's all I have for you guys in this video. I'll definitely make more updates. If this video can get 50 plus likes, definitely we'll do more updates on Beyond as the time goes on and see what this stock does.